Okay, today we do have the mobile phone Xiaomi Redmi 5 model. This is 3 GB gold color and 32 GB memory with. So this is having 5.7 display and LED selfie light and Snapdragon 450 processor and also 3300 milliampere battery. So the thing is like this phone has made in India. I still didn't break the seal yet, so you can see here. Yeah, so let's go for the unboxing of this Redmi 5. Okay, I broke the seal of the box right now, as you can see here and here also. So now let's open the phone. Okay, let's see what's inside. First of all, to remove this one, you can directly see the phone over here, and let's see what's inside. Here we have a back cover for this one. They are giving a silicone material back cover, transparent one. And let's go inside. After taking out the phone, the thing is this phone is having curved edges and as well as having a front selfie flash and dual grills, but I don't think that both of them firing sound. I think one is firing sound, the other one is just representing a grill. And the camera over here, it's like embossed, as you can see here. See, it's like embossed. We can feel the camera over here. See, it's like when we are keeping the phone will be lifted a little bit, but I don't think that this will stretch because most probably Xiaomi is still putting stretch resistant glass on the camera, so it will be stretch proof. Actually, it will not be a big problem. And fingerprint sensor is at back side. It's like this. So let's keep the phone away. Now let's see what's happening. We are getting some paperwork over here, and then here we are getting the charger and the USB cable as well as the SIM ejector tool. So that's what we are getting for this one. And let's turn on the device for the first time. Let's see. It will take some little bit more time because it's the first boot. It's MIUI 9 inbuilt and the navigation buttons are located over here. So as you can see, yeah, these buttons, when we are touching it we feel the vibration. And MIUI 9, let's go forward. Asking for the language, United States English. Region, as I'm Sri Lankan, I am putting the region as Sri Lanka. Okay, it's showing no internet is there. Okay, now it's connected. um, Now terms and conditions, we have to agree for them, otherwise we cannot go forward. Checking for the SIM card. Let's keep it for right now. Let's put right now no. Escape. Okay, set password. Skip for now. Location, diagnostic data, user experience program. Choose a theme. Agree. Yeah. Default setup complete. Okay, now you can see this MIUI 9 is there. Camera, and the selfie camera is here with I think it's having the front flash with that one. Let's try it for a while. Photo, let's turn it torch. Okay, it's working here. I'm recording this one from the Redmi Note 3 device, and that's pretty much of it. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.